Herkese merhaba, ben Selahattin. Bugün sizlerle birlikte epoksi anahtarlık yapacağız. Epoksi anahtarlıkta vesikalık fotoğraflar çıkarttık. Şu şekilde çift taraflı yapıştırdık fotoğrafları. Kalıplar hazırladık. 3 tane kalıp. Aslında silikon kalıplar var bunlar için uygun. İçine koyduğun zaman çok güzel çıkartıyor. Fakat bizim silikon kalıbımız yok. Plexiglass'tan bir kalıp yaptık. 2 tane de dondurma çubuklarından kalıp yaptık. Bu dondurma çubuklarının kenarına yapışacaktır. Fakat bunu zımparalayıp tekrardan parlatıp bir şekil vermeye çalışacağız. Bakalım nasıl olacak.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.